I was gone for about a month, and I set my air conditioner at, I think, 86-ish. When I was gone, the power went out. When I came back home, the air conditioner was running, and it was putting out, it was almost hot air. It was just
room temperature?
It wasn't cool at all. Yes, okay. And the room was like 90 degrees at that point.
Oh, my.
At night. It was at night. So,
okay.
And I've tried turning off the system completely. I thought maybe if I turn it on at night, it might start putting out cold air, but it has not done that.
Okay. Is it a roof mount unit? Is it on the top of the house?
Yes, on a flat roof. It's an old air conditioner. It's a Gettle. It's a 12-tier rating. And I don't know any much more beyond that. It's great big up there, though.
It's a classic.
It's okay.
It's a classic.
Like my old car. What you got on your roof is a classic, ma'am.
It's a bulletproof classic.
It's a bulletproof. The Gettle Iron Horse is arguably the most sturdy air conditioner ever built, but they are not all that efficient. Okay, it sounds very much like your compressor. You got the electrical spike or something like that. Tripped the compressor, did a capacitor. That sounds. I don't want to diagnose over a telephone, but it sounds to me very much like that. If your blower is still blowing, then it did not short the compressor, did not ground it out and kill it, at least at first blush. But I would get a tech out there. I think you're going to end up with a capacitor and a start device. Might be all that you take, or you had a condenser fan motor die. But all of that is mechanical repair. There's nothing hangman's rope around your neck yet. But get a tech out there, get a licensed Rosie guy out there to look at that and tell you the truth. And that sounds, Gettle units are amazingly fixable.
They are pretty incredible.
They're Mack truck. They're just tough.
Chris, what number would Linda call?
602-440-4000. We have technicians in the field today.
Get that air conditioning running back
nicely done.
Quick.
Very nicely done.
Very good.
Well, you keep me around for something.
Yes, ma'am, I do. It's not because I love you.
Now, Linda brought me right to the next question I was going to ask y'all. So a 12-seer Gettle, she's dealing with a 20-year-old piece of equipment, at least.
Every bit of that.
When do you decide? What are the true decision-making points of when do you replace or when do you repair?